Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are good, happy and fantastic and you are doing great in this language. Friend, these days I am not uploading videos because there is no internet where I am right now. I am facing very difficulty. As long as I will not go here, I will not upload videos. I will go here after some days. Then again I am uploading my videos, my regular routine. And if you are new in my video, then subscribe this channel. This channel is very useful for you. I am uploading regular English sentences for beginners. These sentences are really very useful for beginners. If you like my videos, friend, then like, share and subscribe. And you are always stay happy.